Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting ZArchiver true file access. Go to Settings, find Apps, open ZArchiver, then tap Special App Access and choose All Files Access. Once there, toggle Allow and accept the system confirmation. This gives the app the Android Manage External Storage capability so it can read and write outside sandboxed folders. Make sure to press any final Confirm button. Without this, ZArchiver will remain restricted, and you'll keep seeing access errors when trying to open or extract. Once permission is enabled, you should also map specific storage via the Storage Access Framework for consistent access. Open ZArchiver, choose Add Storage or Open Directory, then use the Android file picker to select the desired folder or the device root. When the picker appears, pick the folder and tap Allow or Grant Access. Make sure to check any box for persistent access if shown. This ties ZArchiver to that folder tree, so files remain visible across reboots and app updates. Finish by testing a full operation. Open or extract an archive to the folder you granted. If you still get access denied, go back to Settings and revoke, then regrant all files access, repeat the Storage Access Framework step, and restart the device. Also check battery or storage optimizer settings. Make sure ZArchiver is excluded so Android doesn't kill its background access. If problems remain, one key tip is to revoke and reapply both permissions. That clears stale tokens and usually resolves lingering access errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.